First law school apprentice hired as CT prosecutor under new legislation. Rocky Hill, Connecticut's Office of the Chief State's Attorney has hired its first law school student apprentice to work as a prosecutor under a new law designed to make the agency more competitive with the private sector. Olivia Halley will break ground as the first apprentice hired by the Division of Criminal Justice when she is sworn in next month as a Deputy Assistant State's Attorney. Without the new law, we wouldn't have been able to interview her, but private firms could, said Chief State's Attorney Patrick Griffin. That's among the benefits of making us more nimble. The law, which passed in the 2023 legislative session, was designed to allow the agency to interview and recommend for hire to the Criminal Justice Commission law students who are within 5 months of graduating and who are certified legal interns prior to passing the Connecticut bar exam. If chosen as an apprentice by the commission, the candidates automatically are hired as a Deputy Assistant State's Attorney when they pass the bar exam within 1 year of taking the test. The benefit of the law is that it gives the state more of an opportunity to hire the best and brightest legal students, since, previously, law school students couldn't even be interviewed for a position with the state's Division of Criminal Justice, Griffin said. We're never going to be on total equal footing because we can't offer the highest pay, Griffin said. But this is a chance to compete with the more aggressive law firms, he said. During the vetting process, Halley was chosen as an apprentice and then passed the bar exam before she could start, so she'll be sworn in next month as a Deputy Assistant State's Attorney. She will be working in the DCJ Appellate Unit, Griffin said. Until then, Halley is working as an apprentice and certified legal intern for the DCJ under the direct supervision of an attorney, Griffin's office said. The agency lobbied to get the law passed as a way filling out the ranks with top law students while also addressing prosecutorial shortages, which were a significant problem when Griffin was appointed Chief State's Attorney in May 2022, he said. Due to changes in the state's pension plan, like many other state agencies, the division was hit with a number of retirements, Griffin said. We lost 30% of our employees, including 21% of our prosecutors, to retirements, he said. The DCJ since has hired about 42 prosecutors, with about 20% coming from diverse populations, and added third-year law students under a fellowship program that gives students chosen as fellows a 2-year contract to work as special deputies prosecuting cases. But under the fellowship program there is no requirement that the DCJ has to hire the fellows after the 2 years have passed, Griffin said. The apprentice law allows students to apply if they meet the criteria of being within 5 months of graduating and a certified legal intern, and then any candidates who are chosen to move forward must be interviewed by the DCJ and then recommended to be appointed by the commission, which must give approval for the hiring of all state prosecutors. The commission has been meeting frequently to address the shortage of prosecutors by vetting and appointing candidates, but the DCJ is still 20 prosecutors short, Griffin said. The DCJ also has been more aggressive in recruiting at local and regional law schools, which was part of an overall strategy along with lobbying for the apprenticeship law to get the positions filled by top students, he said. The number of apprentices Griffin can hire is unlimited as long as there are job openings, he said. This is giving us the flexibility we didn't have when I came into this position, Griffin said. If you found our video informative, like and subscribe to the channel.